Mountains high, roads far unstoppable. Loads heavy, limits higher we break through. Zhenghui Smart Lifting Battery 2860. Engineered for extreme lifting. 15–20 minutes of continuous operation. Strong enough for the heaviest loads. Tough enough for the longest hours. 106.4 volts high voltage platform. 60 A high capacity. Maximum continuous current 500 A. Heavy load hovering. Rock solid stable. Smart BMS 24/7 protection. Safety without compromise. Can protocol compatible with mainstream flight controllers. Plug and play. All aluminum body. Efficient heat dissipation. IPX4 rated. Unfazed by wind and rain. 10C to 60C. Stable output in extreme environments. Zhenghui Smart Lifting Battery 2860. The powerhouse for heavy lift flight.